Hello scrappers, let me show you something interesting. Look at this. I think it's from a fork, and this is marked as 800. So if you take a magnifying glass and check here, you'll see 800 written, which means silver. 80% of this handle is silver. But is this true? Sometimes it is, sometimes not. Let me show you. So this is another handle like this. You see how beautiful it looks like and solid, but it's only silver on top. It's silver foil on top. There is no silver inside of it. Let me break it and show you. So this is something like a resin or something like this inside, and it's hollow. You see? You have silver only on top. So sometimes you may see 800 or you may see other really seducing mark on the silver handle, but not always it is the case. In many cases it's just the top foil, and inside of it you have this useless material. So what I will do now, I'll clean these two handles and measure them. I clean up all the dirt, and this is only the silver on top, mostly the silver. So this big piece is only 1.4 gram. And let's check the other ones. 4.5, 5.8, 6.7. Not sure if we'll reach 7 grams, but what we have is at about 6.9 grams of silver, which is 80% as per the mark. So we should be able to recover more than 5 grams of pure silver from this amount. And let's do exactly this. Let's go to the lab and recover silver from this pile of small pieces. I will first add some distilled water. I'm putting distilled because I don't want to have some amount of chloride anions that will mess up my silver, and it will turn to be white residue everywhere. So 50 milliliters of water, these 7 grams of silver foils, and some nitric acid. I will add, to have this silver dissolved, I will need in total probably at about 18 to 20 milliliters of nitric acid. So I'll just add a little. This is concentrated nitric acid, it's 65%. I will add a little bit more. I think it will be enough. Let's see. Maybe we will need some heating, or maybe not. Depends. I don't think we'll need heating, but yes, reaction already started, as you can see. Let's put this watch glass on top, just to keep the poisonous gases in the flask. And let's wait until these silver foils dissolve. Okay guys, took a couple of minutes and reaction is over. So we have some nitric acid that I don't want inside. I'll put some urea and I will try to get rid of this nitric acid. Because excessive nitric acid will not help me to recover my silver on a later stage. And now solution is hot, so it's perfect to add some urea and to get rid of the excessive nitric acid. We are denoxing our solution. And this on top that you see is dirt. This is dirt because I was not able to clean well these foils. So there is a little bit more nitric acid. I'll just remove the nitric acid because I don't need it. It it will mess up my silver reduction process, because I usually use zinc to do it. Okay, we are done. No more reaction. When you add the small balls of urea, if you have no reaction, no bubbles, means you got rid of the nitric acid. Good. What is the next step? Let's filter this. I'll just do a quick filtration, because I really don't need vacuum or anything else. You see how quickly filtration goes. I just need quickly to remove all this dirt from the solution. Okay, next step is to drop our silver as silver chloride. We can do it with acid like hydrochloric or muriatic acid, or we can do it with potassium chloride, sodium chloride, just table salt, or anything. So this is potassium chloride, or you can use table salt, and when you add it, you see what happens. That's your silver. Yay! Great! Let's add more, and let's see how much silver we'll get. 1 hour later, we have our silver chloride on the bottom, and we can carefully decant this solution. I will use the old flask where I dissolved the silver, and we'll just remove the liquid. So next step will be to recover the silver from the silver chloride. Let's see. This is the silver chloride. It's not a lot, actually. If I want to recover pure silver from the silver chloride, you see how the color changes? It's really interesting. I will need to add zinc, and these are not powder. I'm adding granulated zinc. So what zinc is doing? Zinc is replacing silver in the silver chloride. Let's stir it a little, because silver is reacting on top of the zinc granules, and we have to stir and remove this silver from the top, just to be sure that process is continuing. It's the silver is not blocking the reaction being formed on top. It's about to boil. You see how solution gets darker and darker. This is the silver. Silver chloride is white, and now you see solution goes to gray, or even to black color, which is actually the silver. After probably at about 5-6 minutes, you get this nice black color. This means you transformed the silver chloride into metallic silver. So reaction is stopping now. I'll just heat it for the last time, and you see that reaction stops. That's all. Let's add some water, just to rinse everything and wash everything that is on the walls. And now I'll filter the silver. Okay guys, so that's what we have. This is our silver, and this is the solution. I will just melt the silver now. Alright, so that's the final result. Really small piece of silver I have. Maybe it has 1 gram, maybe not, but it's really small. So let's measure it. 1.0809. So that's what we got from these two forks.